You can speak Japanese in 2 months with these 10 steps. Watch to the end. Step 1. Learn hiragana. There are 3 writing systems, but for now, just this one. Don't memorize it. Just learn to read it. Step 2. Word order. English is subject, verb, object. Japanese puts the verb last.
私は寿司を食べる。
I eat sushi. And Japanese drops the subject a lot. You don't need.
私は寿司を食べる。
That still works. Step 3. Aizuchi, the sound you give back. In Japanese, the listener keeps making sounds.
うん。そうですね。なるほど。
Yeah, right, I see. Just this. And the conversation keeps going. Step 4. Particles. They go after a word and mark its job.
は、で、を。私は寿司屋ですしを食べる。
I eat sushi at a sushi restaurant. Now you can read a sentence. Step 5. Polite Japanese.
です。ます。
Disu for nouns, masu for verbs. They go at the end.
私は学生です。寿司を食べます。
The distance between you and the other person changes the words. Get closer, and the polite form drops. Step 6. Numbers, just 1 to 10. 11 is 10 and 1. 50 is 5 and 10. 100 is.
100、
1000 is.
1000、
Your age, a price. Now you can say them. Step 7. Conjugation. This is what separates people who can actually speak.
食べる。食べた。食べたい。食べて。
Eat, ate, want to eat, eat please. One verb turns into past, into a wish, into a request. Now you can talk about yesterday and say what you want. Step 8. Chunks. Words you can use today with 0 grammar.
すみません。これください。お願いします。
Excuse me. This one please, please. The moment you learn these, you can already get by in Japan. Step 9. Questions, just add.
か、
At the end.
ラーメンを食べますか？
Do you eat ramen? And WH questions are easy too. Same order, just swap the word.
何を食べますか？どこに行きますか？
What do you eat? Where do you go? Step 10. Speak with Japanese. After that, you just talk with a real teacher, not an app reel, living Japanese with a real person. You already love Japanese culture. You've been learning it for a while now, right? KODAWARI Sensei is the only online school where you pick up the language from inside the culture. Right now, we're giving a trial lesson with a teacher chosen from 500 to the first 10 people. Comment Japan, and we'll send you the link.